Hello again and welcome to our regular monthly update, this time covering inbound tourism to the UK during the month of November 2013. For most of last year we were reporting growth in visitor numbers. However, in November there was a slight 2% drop compared with a really strong November the year before. But more in line with that which we've been reporting for most of the last year, there was healthy growth in how much those visitors spent, an annual increase of 11%. Let's now take a look at the rolling 12 months to November 2013. At 32.6 million visits, that's 6% more than in the year before. However, it's just shy of an all-time record. Very definitely within record-breaking territory, however, is how much those visitors are spending here, at almost £20.8 billion. It's also really encouraging to see that we're in record territory when it comes to those overseas residents choosing Britain as their holiday destination, at 12.8 million in the most recent 12-month period. We now have detailed market level data for those crucial months of July, August and September, and you can find a lot of detail on any market of interest to you on our website visitbritain.org. Let's start our explorations with the short horse scene. After a relatively quiet quarter 3 in 2012, the Belgian market really bounced back very strongly with 34% year-on-year growth. Despite a rather fragile economy, it's clear that more Italians are flocking to our shores with a 23% year-on-year jump. The Dutch certainly love exploring Britain's great outdoors, and we can see that they did that in increasing numbers during the summer just past. Last but very definitely not least, Norway again broke all records with a 45% year-on-year increase. Now let's move on to the long haul sector. It's a real pleasure to be able to see that America, which is by far our most valuable inbound source market, witnessed an 8% year-on-year increase in visitation during those summer months. Now we certainly see far fewer visitors from the US's southerly neighbour, Mexico, but visitor numbers were up very markedly during that period, 55% on a year-on-year basis. Now the Indian rupee has depreciated against the pound quite a lot over the past year, making Britain a more expensive destination for Indians. That, however, hasn't prevented 28% more visits from India in summer 2013 compared with summer 2012. Last but not least, Australia. Very healthy growth in visitor numbers has ensured that once we start looking at full year figures, Australia will have generated far more than 1 million visits for us in 2013. Next time we'll have provisional figures for the month of December, and we'll also be able to take our first look at the headline data for the full year. So until then, bye-bye.